Everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be reviewing the Nyko RC 4 GT. Got it from Costco, $37. Go buy one if you want to. And yes, we're starting off with the charging and everything. So once you unbox it or whatever, there will be a cover on like that. Not just sitting there, but on properly. And then take off that cover. There would be this long cord. It'd be all wrapped up around here. And then you take it apart and it's a little USB. Or not take it apart, just wrap it back around again. And there's a little USB, you can charge with it. This light will go red when you're charging. It'll be a bit blinking if you have it onwards. So if you flick that forwards, it will be onwards. And then I'm only doing like a little review, and then I will be driving it around upstairs here. Oh, and guys, I might be getting a Traxxas. I don't know if you know what that is, but go search up Traxxas, and then you can find out. Yeah, my truck right now is kind of broken. Yeah, and then I don't know if you want me to do a video about that or what. I can do a video about this. It's my car. So, okay, back to the actual car though. So, put this back on. Use this to screw it back on. This is my nice little handy screwdriver pen is what I'm going to call it. It's really hard to do stuff with one hand. Okay, and then like I said, you got the switch there. Nice bumper on the back and front, and the one right there. That's the direction, so if you want your wheels fully turned that way, fully turn that all the way that way, and then turn this all the way that way, and then it goes like that. I don't know why you'd want to do that, just to be so funny and go in circles or something. Okay, but we're going to flick it on. It's on, that way. Flick it back over. And then before I drive it, give you a nice preview. It lasts 90 minutes of driving. Then I'll show you the front. Focus my camera. It's got nice lights in there. Now we go side. Nice wheels. Intro boost. So forward in the back. There's a dog, guys. The dog is really loud sometimes. There's the side. And yeah, I'm gonna go shut this door. There we go. Push it. That's a really old door. Okay, and then you got the remote here, so you'll be able to turn. Don't know if you can see. So this way would be making the car go that way. And then the other way would be making the car go that way. So I don't know if I can show you. And then this is right here. It's going to make the car go forwards and backwards. So you ready? So if you're backing up completely, the car will stop and then go forwards. So yeah, I'm going to try to position my camera somewhere that is going to be a good can't really hold it. I can hold it and try to steer, but whoa. Okay, I'm not really good at steering. guess I'm a way better driver. But let's go into my room. If you guys want to see more RC car videos, I can do some more. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I think that's enough driving for today. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.